Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Curiosity Corner. My name is Jared, your friendly science Viking, and today we talked about density, and I challenged you to make your own lava lamp. Now, I hope you all had as much fun with this challenge as I did. And a special shout out goes out to Vivi and to Jojo, who worked really hard on aforementioned lamps and is always very attentive in our morning meetings. So, congratulations to you. And also, you're like one step away from going on a fantasy adventure together, so fingers crossed. Anyway, while you were busy making your lava lamps, I was filling a 2-liter with water and putting an eyedropper in it. Why would I do this, you may ask? Because I have a secret power. I can move this eyedropper. I think this is better. There we go. I can move this eyedropper with my mind. Are you ready? Here we go. And back up. Oh. Whew. Just a lot of work with that eyedropper. I'm telling you. Even my cat doesn't believe me. Obviously, fine, ruin it. Anyway, obviously I did not move this with my mind. I used science, because I'm the wrong profession otherwise. Anyway, what happened was that I squeezed this water bottle, and when I did, all the water inside it desperately wants to escape, because I'm putting so much pressure, the water wants to go somewhere, but there's nowhere to go. This bottle is completely full, and the cap is tightened down. The only place this water has to escape is inside our eyedropper. When the water goes in there, it fills it up, but there's still air in our eyedropper. So the air gets condensed, it gets pushed together, and that makes it denser. It makes it denser, in fact, than the water that's housing it. So when you add this pressure, the dropper sinks. When I relieve the pressure, the dropper floats, which is an instant change in its density. So you can make your own, show it to your friends, convince them you have mind powers. Just be a better actor than me, I guess. Not hard. Anyway, so we have today. Thank you very much for joining us. Please tune back in tomorrow at 10:30. My friend Claire is going to talk about the exhibits and answer your questions. Yeah, we have new videos every day at 10:30 and 3 o'clock. We'd love to see you. Make sure you like these videos and subscribe to make sure you don't miss anything. So have fun, stay safe, and as always, stay curious.